Hello guys, back to another new video. Today we are going to review about Fundex Proform. Let's get started. So normally I have got many DMs in my Instagram regarding the Fundex to review. So here is the complete breakdown of the Fundex. Right? Let's get started. Choose your challenges, pass the evaluation, get funded, trade live markets. They are providing two brokers, one is MetaTrader 5 and Terminal, their own terminal. So normally they have 5 types of accounts: 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k and 200k. So basically they are having only types of account are two-phase accounts, not like instant funding accounts and other accounts. So phase 1 you have to make 8%, in phase 2 you have to make 5%. So daily drawdown, no daily drawdown rule is there, 10% max drawdown and leverage up to 30x. So reward schedule, instant rewards they are going to pay, profit split 70%, and this is the most beautiful thing that I have came to know about this Proform, that they are going to pay monthly salary for you, right? So monthly they are going to pay $100 for you, but there is a hack behind this. You have to note that also. I will tell in there is a hack here, so I will let you know further. Let's complete this first. So for 10k account you are going to pay around $90. So here they are mentioning actual build for traders, not against them. So if you use FN Fundex 10, so you can climb 10% off. So in place of Fundex 10 you can use DPT. I will mention here, you can use that code DPT. If you have any issues like that, you can reach out to me and I can resolve your issue by contacting them, right? Accounts 25k, same thing, 8% rule, 5% phase 1 8%, phase 2 5%, no rules 10%. So for all the types of accounts same rules are there, right? So here the monthly bonus is $100 for 25k 250, 50k 500, 100 like 100k $1000 and 200k $2000 they are paying, right? So average reward till now they have paid for 10k account is $597, for 25k account 1487, for 50k 2973, and 100k 5984, and 200k for 200k 11,000, prox 12,000, right? So this is what they are mentioning. So evaluation account 1x entry, so tick tiles, more size, more entries. Okay, get funded and enter. So these are the payouts which they have given to the traders. You can check here. 4 step to your first reward: pick a challenge, prove your edge, trade live capital, withdraw anytime. So this is what they are mentioning. So here is the complete overview. So this is a book, real capital trading Proform. Normally book means you trade mirror to live market using from capital. Execution is managed entirely by Fundex on your behalf. B-book, you are going to trade demo like a simulated accounts. If you dip 1% below starting balance, execution shift to simulated. No capital at risk, recovers automatically once your balance recovers. This is the interesting thing that I am going to share further. So just see here what they are going to provide. A terminal for crypto traders. Okay, you can check this one. Leaderboard, referrals and everything. Open the terminal. So they have their own terminal which they are going to provide, and better you go with MetaTrader itself. It's evergreen and easy to use. A monthly bonus on top of your trading profits. Yeah, this is the best part I like in this prop firm. Overall in funded capitals. Okay, evaluate your trading. This is what they are telling. Let's dive into their how it works. Let's see what they are telling, what's the rules and regulations. Just I am going to explain you in simple way so that you can easily understand, right? So basically the problem with prop firms are the reason 95% of traders never see a reward has nothing to do with the skill, it's the model, right? They are just comparing with other prop firm. They profit when you lose. So other prop firm normally they get profit when you are lose, because if you blow your account, basically they will get their profit by your account which you have purchased. If you blow that account, they are in profits, right? Their model needs you to fail like that. He is mentioning the primary income source for most firms is failed challenge fees, not successful trader performance. Vague rules, denied withdrawals. Many firms use vague hidden rules violations as reason to deny rewards profitable traders. Engineered to filter you out. Daily drawdown, trailing drawdown, consistency rule, holding time frame, risk management, but primarily serve to increase the number of traders who fail. This is what they are mentioning about other prop firms, but what they have solved, let's see here. Every restrictive rule removed. Okay, daily drawdown, no daily drawdown, fine. Trailing drawdown, no trailing drawdown. Unlimited holding time, yes. Other prop firm you can see here. Normally other prop firm 5% max daily drawdown they are providing. Here there is no daily drawdown. Trailing drawdown, yes, trailing drawdown is there. Here no trailing drawdown. Minimum holding time, no rules. Other prop firm they are 3 minutes minimum hold time they are keeping. Max risk per trade, no risk. 1% max risk per trade they are mentioning. Other prop firm. Consistency rule, no rule. Yes, consistency rules are there in other prop firms. News trading allowed, here not allowed. This is what difference from other prop firm they are mentioning here. Real market execution with full transparency. What A book means and what B book. Let's see here. Okay, basically this is the thing you want, like you need to understand before you are going to purchase, right? Here they are going to give you, first thing you have to pass your funded account phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, after passing that funded account or during passing that funded account, these are the rules which they have mentioned. Like A book, real capital, real liquidity, real price action, real capital at stake, 100k account if you have. If base loss is 1%, drawdown from starting balance trigger automatic position closure, right? If 1% is trigger, automatic position is closed, right? B book, demo capital, simulated trading, zero real capital at risk. So basically they have structured this firm like if you lose 1%, right? After losing 1%, they are going to give you a simulated account for trading. Basically you have a real account also, but because you are in drawdown, they are going to provide you demo capital, like simulated account, demo capital, right? In that, once you recover that minus 1%, again you came to break even. At that time, they are going to give you again real capital. This is a catch they are going to, like, they want to tell you. This is the basic thing, you can understand what I am trying to say, right? Here I can explain you clearly. Account bridge clear transparently. I will show once, right? Yeah, see. Yeah, see here, basically they are saying that if you are losing 1%, max consecutive 1% base loss, if you are losing 1%, so as simple as that, when you lose 1%, they are going to give you demo amount, but you have to recover that demo account, that 1%. Once you recover that 1%, after that you are going to get your real money. This is the one thing that I like in this platform, because in other platforms, if you are in drawdown, they are going to use your same capital, but here they are going to give you demo capital, in which you can trade and get break even again. So they are providing 4 chances for you. If you are consistently losing 4 times, your account is breached. Basically, if you lose 1%, then you lose 2% without making any profit. I am saying, like, if you are losing without making any profit, then your account is going to breach after 4 consecutive 1% loss. But if you are making, like, if you are losing 1% on, like, on second day, if you are gaining 5% profit again, then again you are losing 1%, again you are losing 2%, again you make 5%, then this rule doesn't apply. It is like consistently, if you are losing 1% daily, that time your account is going to breach. This is what they are trying to say. Each time you reach the 1% threshold without recovering, that's what I mentioned, without recovering, one cycle is counted. Hit 4 back to back with no recovery in between. Normally, if you didn't make any profit in between, account is permanently breached. That's what they are trying to explain here, right? And max drawdown is 10%. If you lose 10%, basically you are making 1%, basically you are losing 1-2% and making 5, like off percent, and losing 1-2% and making off percent, losing 1-2%, like that. If you hit 10%, then also your account is breached. This is what they are keeping rules. So basically it's simple and easy. If your account balance drop to 10% from starting balance, while a B book in the sense you are getting demo account here, the account is permanently breached. This is absolutely safety floor for both the traders and the firm. So basically they are giving a real amount for you. If you are continuously losing, so what's the use of that company? They will close, right? So to protect their capital, they are giving you a demo account, right? Here what they are mentioned: reward schedule, withdraw anytime, no schedule, no window, withdraw on your term, even multiple times a day. You can withdraw multiple times a day. For other platform, they are telling 14 days, 2 weeks. Review process, no review period. Your profit are the moment they are generated on ebook. minimum trading days, no minimum trading days, reward generated, guaranteed, no expectation. Other they are, this is what they are saying, that other performs, deny, right? Monthly bonus for all funded traders. You need to understand this carefully here. This is what they want to tell you, but I will explain you FAQ also what they are trying to say. Here see, no other platform pay its trader a monthly bonus. Fundex does. Account balance 1% into monthly year 12%. Guaranteed year paid. Every funded trader issue a monthly bonus of 1% of their account balance starting of 30 days after becoming funded. Right? Here they are mentioning that first and foremost thing you want to understand that once you pass phase 1 and phase 2, then only you are going to pay monthly salary. Understood? This is what they are telling. Once become funded, here they are mentioned clearly in FAQ also. I will show what they are trying to say. It is paid every month whether you are profitable, at a loss or flat. Consistent income on top of your trading profit, no tied to performance. Basically once you pass your funded account, and even passing, after passing, if you lose, or if you are in negative, or if you are in positive, or if you are in break even, after 30 days they are going to pay according to your account says this amount. If you are 10k, they are going to pay 100, 25k 250, 50k 500, 100k 1000, and 200k $2000. Every month you are going to pay. Only thing is that you should not reach that funded past account. If you are making small profits, or if you are in losing streak also, even though also they are going to pay you, right? Let's dive into their FAQ. I will explain what the actual thing they are trying to say to you. See, instant payouts and monthly salary, you can go and go through this all, right? Basically I will explain this one, which is important. How do payout works? How does the payout process work at Fundex? Once you fund account active and you have generated eligible profit, you can request payout time directly through Fundex dashboard. Payout requests are typically completed within 60 minutes. In case payouts are processed within maximum 24, including weekends. So they are mentioning that once you have a request for payouts, within 60 minutes they are going to complete their verification. After that, within 24 hours they are going to pay, including weekends. Even on weekends also, if you have request, they are going to pay. How are payouts processed? Payouts are processed through RISE. Once you request is submitted and verified, the funds are sent to your registered payout method. There are no scheduled payout windows and no waiting periods. You are in control of when you are withdraw. That's it, right? Yeah, they are going to pay with RISE and other things also, like bank account also they are going to pay. Let's see profit split explained here. What is the profit split for funded traders? What does eligible profit means? Is the profit split the same for all account size? So basically they are going to pay 70% is your profit and 30% is funded, like company profit. So every time if you make either $100 or $200, they are going to pay you 70%, 30% they are going to keep. Here is simply 70:30 rule they are applying here. On additionally, you are going to get salary also, right? So minimum payout amount $50, fine. Minimum you have to make at least $50 on funded account, then you can request your payout. In the same time, after 30 days you are going to get that salary also. This is what thing they are mentioned. How long do payout takes? How much time they are going to take to proceed? How quickly are payout request processed? What if my payout take longer than expected, right? The vast majority of payout giver within 60 minutes submission, last 24 hours. This applies every day on the week, including weekend public holidays. Fundex does not impose process delay based on the day or time request is submitted. So basically, as I mentioned, 60 minutes normal submission time, and within 24 hours you are going to get paid. What if my payout take longer than expected? If your payout has not been processed within expected time frame, the Fundex support team available to assist you. So normally you can chat in Discord, or you can raise a ticket or drop it. Fine. Can I request payout at any time? Yes, as we see here, you can request payout at any time. They are going to pay on weekends also. What is the monthly salary? As I mentioned before, according to your account type, you are going to pay, they are going to pay you monthly salary. Do funded trader receive a fixed monthly salary? Yes. Funded, yes, here they have clearly mentioned do funded traders, not evaluation pass, who didn't pass evaluation, for that they didn't mention. They are clearly mentioned that funded means if you have live account, if you have passed 2 phases, then only you are going to get monthly salary, or else you are not going to get. Try to understand, right? Yes, Fundex provides all funded traders with a fixed monthly salary as a part of the overall compensation structure. The salary is paid regardless of whether your trading performance for that month is positive, negative, or flat. As I mentioned before you, even if you are in losing streak or winning streak or in break even, they are going to pay you monthly after 30 days. Just you have to be funded here. Why does Fundex offer salary on top of profit sharing? Here they clearly mention that trading performance naturally varies from month to month. Yes, market go through quieter period and not every session will produce significant result. Fundex introduced the monthly salary to give funded trader reliable income base that is not entirely depend on the short-term result. It reflects the firm community to building a long-term relationship with trader rather than simply profiting. Yeah, basically their motive is to that each and every month is not profitable for all, right? According to your type of strategy what you are applying. So to avoid that thing, they plan to give traders a basic salary pay, which is best thing till now that I have seen performs. No one is paying. Even if you have get funded also, no other platform is paying you. See, normally if you pass funded account like phase 1 and phase 2, you have passed in any platform. After passing, if you get funded also, there you have made some profit, right? First thing, if you are consistently profitable trader, then it's fine, perfectly. But if you are in like you are continually blowing your accounts, so you are not following your risk management or anything, it by chance if you have passed 2 phases also, understand, okay? By mistake if you have passed 2 phases also, but you came to know that after that once funded you are going to pay salary, but long term it doesn't matter, bro. You have to focus on consistency, you have to follow everything, risk management, psychology, trade management, everything matter if you want to be a profitable. So basically they are just giving a bonus type for you, right? That's it. So don't too much attached to the salary, just be consistently focus on your trading, improve your trading, then only everything will be fixed, right? Are there any requirement to receive the monthly salary? Yeah, here they mention that you have to hit this monthly volume. So basically if you open some like 0.5 lot or 1 lot, so automatically normally you will trade, right? So automatically this volume will be fulfilled. This is not a big deal, right? Is their salary separate from my profit split earning? Yes, the monthly salary and the profit split are two separate components of your earning as a funded trader. The salary is fixed amount paid each month from day 30 of your funded account activation, while the profit split is variable and tied directly to your trading performance. Both are paid independently of each other. So once you have, they are saying that both are separately, monthly salary is separate and your profit is separate, right? Once you have passed your funded account, you have requested for payout, that is separate, and once 30 days is completed after funded, that amount is separate. So totally both amounts are separate, they have mentioned. This is what they are saying about monthly salary. I think you understood, right? What does the monthly salary start? As I mentioned, according to the account size, you can check that. Steps required before the first payout. Steps required before the first payout. What do I need to complete before I can request my payout? Before you request payout can be proceed, you need to have successfully both phase of the Fundex evaluation, complete the KYC verification. Every platform, what you do normally, you have to complete your KYC verification, then only you are going to pay, right? Can I request a payout immediately after my funded account activated? Yes, you can request your funded account once activated. So minimum you have to make at least $50, right? Are affiliate commission paid out in the same way as a trader payouts? No, affiliate commissions and trader payouts are entirely separate. This is another thing. They are talking about affiliate thing, right? That's it, guys. You can go through other there like journal FAQ, evaluation phases, trading rules, funded stages, right? Orders and payments. Let's see this one, orders and payments, what they are telling. What payment methods are accepted? You can see types of payment methods. How can I pay for funded evaluation? Funded accept fiat, crypto, cryptocurrency, fiat payment including credit and debit card or proceed. Cryptocurrency payments are held through the confirmed support and digital assets available. So they are accepting debit card, credit card, waste, strap. So cryptocurrency is also accepted. Is it safe to pay by card on the Fundex platform? Yes, card payments are proceed through Stripe. One of the most widely used and trusted payment process in the world. Fundex does not store your card detail. Which cryptocurrencies are accepted? The full list of accepted digital assets is displayed at checkout. When you select the crypto payment option, they are mentioning that when you are going to pay in crypto, they are going to display all the types of currencies through which you can pay, right? That's it, guys. Once you also go through all the FAQ, right? If you are interested to purchase, so you can. So basically I am saying that it's better if you want to purchase and keep, so you can go with 10k. That's what I suggest, because this platform also new, and if you pass with the discipline, you check they are going to pay or not, right? It's up to you, right? If you want to use a coupon code, you can use DPT, right? Let's meet with another, let's meet in another video with another platform review. Take care, bye.